My name is Ian Sinclair, and I got my solar system installed at the very start of October, just shortly after the Powerwall 3s were hit the market. So our system consists of solar panels on the roof, of course, the Tesla Powerwall 3 with a built-in inverter and battery, and the Gateway 2, which is a Tesla gateway out to the outside mains. My main reasons for getting solar, I've been thinking about it for a long time. I wanted resilience. That was a really important thing for me, so that we could survive off-grid, especially with electric cars. The financial side of it, I realise there's a payback period, so I'm just investing in the future. I've effectively bought electricity for the next few years, so I'd have to say resilience and independence. I talked to my brother Mark, who lives in Wanaka, and he had dealt with Wanaka Solar, and I thought relationships is the most important thing. He'd had a good experience, and I contacted the guys in the Christchurch office, and they were absolutely fantastic to deal with, and I didn't get any competitive quotes or look elsewhere else. I just felt they had the right attitude and the right products. So the installation process with Christchurch Solar was super easy. We ended up with a design well before the guys were coming here. The guys turned up, they had everything they needed. I think I threw a spanner in the works by wanting to put in a caravan plug. They had to go and get one locally, but that didn't faze them. They did a fantastic job. The stuff looks really good. It worked straight out of the box. They did it more quickly than they'd estimated. The guys had finished well a day early. They finished a day earlier than they thought. Living with solar is a funny old thing, because I get up in the morning now, go straight to my phone and see what's happening. And I look outside and I go, it's going to be a high production day or a low production day, and then I think, will I have enough things that I need to put electricity into to use all the production I'll have? But if you can understand what your loads are, you can get a lot more out of a solar system. But at the same time, I could sit back and do nothing and it would still have a great benefit for me. But I just find it endlessly interesting. One of the really good integrations with solar in our installation is because we have a Tesla Powerwall and gateway and Tesla wall chargers and a Tesla Model Y, we can set the Model Y up to only charge when it's sunny. So on a day when it's coming over cloudy and sunny and cloudy and sunny, the car will come on and off charging and soak up all of the extra production and put it into the battery of the car. And that works really, really well. In fact, I keep wishing I had more cars to plug in. The advice I'd give to somebody thinking about getting solar is to get on with it. I mean, at the end of the day, I can't see a downside from an overall perspective, and being somebody that drives an electric car, it means I'm creating fuel for my own vehicle, which is very difficult to do in other modes of transport with diesel or petrol. Also from a country's point of view, we had power crises and all kinds of things happening last year where we didn't have enough power. If we could just get maybe 1 in 4 households to put solar on their roof, we would have so much extra energy. It also fixes distribution issues, so most of the power that comes off my roof is being consumed inside my 4 walls. Some of it gets exported. So I think it's great, people just get on with it.